I'm sure you have seen some stop-motion animation, but I doubt you know that you can make your own animation at home. Do you want to know how? Stop motion, what is it?
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air.
Stop motion is a technique used in animation to bring static objects to life on screen. The basic process of animation involves taking a picture of your objects or characters, moving them slightly and taking another picture.
Sounds creepy.
When you play back the images consecutively, the characters appear to move on their own.
What a cutie!
To make your own animation, you need a cell phone and something to be your character. Can be a toy, Play-Doh, paper, objects, or even mix all these things. It's important to download an app to help you finish the video. We will use the Stopmotion Studio app. In the description, we will leave some other options. First, choose a lighted place with a floor and a background for your scene. Place your phone to start. If you have something that keeps the phone fixed, it will work better. Now, all you have to do is open the app and start taking pictures. After each shot, move the object slightly. With this tool, you can change the opacity of the previous picture to guide your next move. Try to explore the other tools in the app to enhance your video. At the end of the scene, just play to see the result. Use your creativity, make up different stories, and have fun! See you later! Bye bye!